What's good, YouTube? Fuzzy Treasures here, and today we have a another unboxing. This is another $1,000 box. It should have some good stuff in it. I think it has about 60 pieces. So the last video was like a more premium box, and this one's gonna be more of like a store filler and stuff like that. We're just gonna crack this boy open, and we're gonna see what's inside. And this box is from right here. You know what? So if you guys are new here to the channel, I buy wholesale vintage mystery boxes, and then I unbox them for you guys for your enjoyment, I guess. You guys seem to like this kind of content, so this is kind of what happens, and I sell them on my Instagram, my Depop, my eBay, or just on YouTube, whatever. But let's begin either way. Box open, everything's right here. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff off the top. We have a bucket head. A bucket head. It's a great artist. But we got a bucket hat. It's a Huff bucket hat. These are great. I think we got another one that's matching. This is black scale. These are pretty cool. Have some very cool like designs on it. You got a bunch of hats here. So actually, before I go through all of these, I don't really sell hats, so I don't know value on hats as much. I'm glad I got a bunch here though, so I can start doing research. So usually what I do with these boxes is I tell you what I think the value is, and then I'll put the real value up here or up here. But I don't know hats, so I'm just gonna put the values up here somewhere. I'd imagine they're $15 to $20 hats, unless it's like one of the crazy shark tooth hats. And yeah, so we're just gonna keep going. Got a pyramid Egypt hat. There's nothing in it. This is actually really cool. It's a Dan Marino. Hat. This is a Mark Jacob hat. We have a Seattle Seahawks hat. This one's old. Nike SB, like trucker. Oh, this is cool. This is a Budweiser. Might keep that for me. Ooh, actually, just kidding. We're gonna keep this one. We got the Marlboro. Just a nice little hat there. And oh wow, this is kind of crazy. This is a Zelda 1988 hat. This is probably worth a good amount if I had to guess. I'm gonna keep this. This is kind of weird. It's like it looks like a bootleg, but who knows? It's made in China. But this is made in the USA. The pad on the inside. Crap. This is pretty cool. Definitely cool. Oh damn! All right, this is actually super lit. Got a WWF Stone Cold bucket hat. This actually also might stay in the personal. I'm starting to wear bucket hats now. I kind of like them. I got one in the last box from him that I forgot to post because I'm an idiot. But it was a super dope one. I think I have it right here. Yeah, I have it right here. If you follow me on Insta, you probably have seen my thing. But this is one I got from the last box. This was actually really cool. Been wearing it a lot. So we have a Tesla. I think this is like a full zip. Yep, full zip. This is probably a $50 piece here. Tesla is one of those crazy like sports cars that drive themselves, basically. We have a lot of pieces, so I'm gonna try to go as fast as I can to make this video not crazy long, because I like to talk for some reason. We have a scenery. I've heard of it. Looks like Seattle Marlins. Is a Diador tracksuit. It's also gonna be very noisy. This looks really cool. It has cool like 80s vibe graphics on it. Plus it hits on the sleeve too. It is a vodka. Okay. It's like another like rain jacket. It's another the hits on the sleeve here. much about this. It's just like a eye was close. If you can't run with the dogs, stay on the porch. Has a nice big back graphic. It's just like, looks like just like a Clifford. These shirts are usually really, really funny. This one isn't as funny as I thought it would be. Big old Polo RL 2XL. It's a $20 piece. This is original sailing style. It's I don't know, 90, I think 89. Before I finish going through these, if you guys like anything you see, make sure to leave a like, comment, let me know what your favorite shirt is. I still have a lot to unbox, so save it for the end, of course. But if you guys need to buy any of this stuff, you guys know where to hit me up. You can hit me up on my Instagram, my Depop, or my eBay. Instagram is probably the best because I answer back extremely fast. And yeah, NASCAR tee is Kevin Harvick. Like it's just a little Tommy Essential. It's good. Pro 4 West Racing. God, this is huge. It's got the little camera on there. This tag is kind of sick though. I'll show you guys one more time. It's got a little camel Henley. It's got a nice puffy pattern on this design here. 2025 in my store. It's a Bob Marley tee. Got like, this is encrusted in gems. It's crazy. Legend of Freedom tee. Kinda? I don't know. This is status quo. Don't know. The only status quo I know is the Halo team, so don't know. Designer. I don't know what these are, to be honest. Long sleeve. Line up. Or crazy tags that I don't know. 1992 tour. Europe. Prisoners Paradise. L. Carter. Oh, this is dope. LL Bean. Fishes get you hella. What? Moose Root. Oh, wow. Moose Root. Ha. It's Microsoft O2 intern on a ringer tee. This is actually pretty cool. It's probably 40 to 50. And strong. I don't know. No brand. Probably like 15 to 20. Starter in the mixed colorway here. Probably like another 15. And we got some Jordan. The cement on these. This is probably like $25 here. And we have a scarf. Eastside UFC. I think it's I think that's soccer. Alright, so we have two WWE, we have two 80s and two 90s. So we're gonna open the 90s because it's probably something that I know. Here we have a large, and it is a wet, high on the happy earth side. I don't know who this is, to be honest, unless they're called wet. But this looks like a be like one of those like bootlegs you get right outside. Has that like weird like single stitched on the inside graphic, or not graphic, but how it looks. I don't know who this is, honestly, but I'm hoping it's some good money on that shirt. And we have nothing. And we have a white snake shirt, 1992. Someone I know finally. Get on the back. It is double stitched. Looks pretty cool. Couldn't tell you a value on this, but it is a very nice size on that. Hopefully in the hundreds. Have a small, and it is status quo. I was correct. It is a band. Never heard of them. They look crazy though. 1984. Jackson. Literally looks like he has a piece of cheese right there. I don't know. Okay. So off the top we have WWF, and it looks like we have the jersey of The Rock. It is a size, I think it's a kid's size. It's probably like a small or a medium. This is cool. I think these go for like 40 to 50. I could be wrong. Probably way more than that. This is pretty cool, I guess. And then we have one more. It looks like it is also another Rock tee. Know Your Role. It's double stitched and 2000s. Kind of looks like a rap tee, to be honest, but there's nothing on the back, which is kind of unfortunate. But yeah, that's it. What did you guys think of this box? This one was supposed to be a lot more filler items. Do you think they were too filler? Do you think they were just right? Let me know what you guys thought in the comments, and then I'll see you guys in